Hi, I'm Rachel Utuzis, and I'm going to show you how to clean soap scum. Most often, soap scum is going to end up on your glass shower doors, and it's so ugly. When you have glass shower doors, they're brand new, they look so pretty, and then you may get this film all over the doors. Well, what you want to do in this case is lemon juice is really good at attacking the soap scum. So put some onto a sponge and just make sure you apply it really well to wherever the soap scum is. If you have a scratchy sponge, be careful with the glass, obviously, and just really work that lemon juice into the soap scum. If you have cracks and crevices you need to get into, mix vinegar with baking soda to make a paste like this. And this you can really use as like a soft scrub type material. Another thing that works excellent, if you don't feel like making the vinegar and baking soda paste, Barkeeper's Friend. It's awesome for shower doors. It will remove stuff. You just have to make sure to rinse it off well. But soap, scum, water stains, anything like that, Barkeeper's Friend is great for that. And rust, it'll work on anything. After you've done that, you want to make sure to rinse everything off really well. You can spray vinegar and water and wipe with a towel or paper towel so you don't leave any streaks. And next time you take a shower, leave the shower door open. This will help prevent soap scum from building up because it won't dry on the shower door and so slowly. For some reason, leaving the shower door open helps prevent hard water stains and soap scum. I'm Rachel Utuzis, and that is how you clean soap scum.